That just tells you stuff. What is it?
Books.
What kind of books? Are those Rescue Bot books?
Yeah.
Who's that? Is that Boulder? Wow.
Open this. Mommy, open this.
Okay. It says, Happy birthday, Enoch. Have fun fighting bad guys and saving the world. Love, Uncle Phil and Aunt Becky. Can you say, thank you, Aunt Becky, Uncle Phil? Say
Thank you for your
Okay.
This is Mommy.
Okay.
Hey, Daddy's right.
Are you opening a birthday present for Daddy?
No.
Huh?
Yes.
Why? Why did you do that?
Wow, this. It's so cool. Rescue bot. That's a
What's
cool.
that?
That's a rescue bot.
That's a rescue box.
That's a rescue bot.
We better open
Let me
it.
see. Show me. Show me.
That's cool.